Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to set up multiple connection on your Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. So multi-connection is just basically having the mouse connected to two devices at the same time. So whenever you move the mouse like this, it'll move on to the next screen that is next to your computer. So to do that, you want to start by connecting the mouse to your first device. So as you can see, it's currently connected to my Windows PC. And then from here, I just select the mouse in the Logi Options Plus app and then select Flow. Once I've selected Flow, I'll select the option Set Up Flow. And then from here, as you can see, this computer is ready for Flow. So the next step is to install Options Plus on your second device, whether it's a MacBook or another Windows computer. Then you also want to pair the mouse using a different channel. So this Windows PC is connected via the first channel, and my second one is connected via the second channel. And then once you've done that, also ensure that both devices are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Once you've done all three of them, you want to select Continue. And then as you can see, my second device has already been found. So once I've done that and it says connected, you want to click on Continue. And so now I have this computer and the next computer right here. So whenever I move my mouse like this, it will come onto my second computer and I can start using it like that. So I can have multiple screens on my desk with one mouse connected to each screen, allowing me to do whatever it is that I want to do. When you're ready to close the connection, you should see this toggle at the top labeled Flow. Just click on that toggle to disable the connection, and now whenever you move your mouse, it will no longer go off screen and it will just stay on that single computer. So with this Flow option, you can have 3 screens set up, all using the exact same mouse. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.